How are you, Daniel? How are you? How are you? How are you doing, Daniel? You are welcome to this session. It's called Dance with Makaban. I see you are fine. Yeah, this is a warm-up along the beach. I see you watching. Mr. Daniel. Yeah, subscribe, keep on watching, share the videos. Yeah, right now I'm just winding up along the beach. Right now I'm in Diani Beach at River Congo. Yeah. I see other guys now are watching. The session is called Dance with Maka Mugenda. Thank you so much, Daniel. Thank you so much. The instrument is called Nyatiti, and this is how we do it every day here in Diani Beach. That lady with the white trouser. That lady with the white trouser. Thank you so much, Daniel. Wow, thank you so much. Keep on watching. It's Maka Mugenda here in the beach. This is Maka with the instrument called Nyatiti. Right now I'm here in the beach, guys. This vibing. Keep on watching. Yeah, thank you so much. I see Daniel. Put down your comment. Tell me how you are feeling the vibe, and also you can request some traditional instruments, some traditional songs if you know. Yeah. Okay, the next song is called Mayo. Yeah. I see there's a guy called No One watching from India. Yeah. Yeah. People from India, keep on watching. I see there's a guy by the name No One. Lolo, Mayo, Mayo. Lolo, Mayo, Mayo. Yeah. I love you, Mayo. I love you, Mayo. I love you, Mayo. I love you, Mayo. Yeah. When I travel to Dubai, when I went to Dubai, I must bring you a surprise. I know you like kumbuta, but I'll bring you kamongo. Yeah. If you know, there's a sweet fish called kamongo. Kamongo is a mud fish. Yeah, for those who don't know what the meaning of kamongo. Yeah, behind the scene, I'm just trying to tell my mom I love her so much. By the time I succeed, I travel to Dubai, I must bring her some very nice clothes. Yeah. Yeah, the song is called about Mayo. Mayo is a Digo name. Mama. If you want to call your mother in Digo land, you call her Mayo. Oh, Mayo. I love you, Mayo. I love you, Mayo. I love you, Mayo. Yeah. Oh, Mayo. I love you, Mayo. I love you, Mayo. Yeah. When I went to Dubai, I must bring you surprise. Right now we are approaching Valentine. I must bring you. Yeah. If you love someone, you have to bring something surprise for Valentine. Yeah, if you have someone in your love, if you have someone in your heart, you have to buy, you have to give a surprise for this Valentine. Yeah. Well, oh, Mayo. I love you, Mayo. I love you, Mayo. When I went to Dubai, I must bring you a surprise. Yeah. When I travel to Dubai, I must bring you a surprise. Akeli nierinda kondolezo ni wotogo. I know you like kumbuta. I'll bring you, come on, Lord. Come on, go, come on, go. Yeah, keep on watching Daniela. I see some love from Indian. People from diaspora are watching. That means this session is more interesting. I see friends like Daniela. I see his friend. I see someone like no one from India. Yeah. Yeah. I love you, Mayu. I love you, Mayu. Thank you so much, Daniel, for your compliments. Yeah. Yeah. Mayo, Mayo, I love you, Mayo. Yeah, I must bring you a red. I must bring you a red trouser for this Valentine. I must bring you a Valentine surprise. I know you like kuku choma, nyama choma, nyama choma, pizza choma, kila kitu choma choma. Aye. Thank you so much, no one. I love you so much, bro. Yeah, this is African guitar. Thanks to Mediscol Nyatiti. Yeah. This song is for Valentine. Right now we are winding up for Valentine. If you have someone who you love, you have to show her some love. Yeah, right now I'm just showing my mom. Wow. No problem, Daniel. No problem. There's still time. Yeah. Yeah. Well, oh, my, oh, my, oh. I miss you, my, oh. I miss you, my, oh. When I went to Dubai, I must bring you a surprise. I'll bring you. Yeah. Wow. You are 12 old. No problem, Daniela. No problem. Don't be worried. Everything will be okay. As matter you are alive, everything will be okay, Daniela. Daniel, don't worry. I know you locked up, but I'll bring you never joke. But yeah, I'll bring you. Some respect to Daniela. People like no one. Thank you so much clapping. Thank you so much for clapping. Yeah, this is a session where we are just vibing with Maka Mugenda. Daniel, don't worry, Daniel. Don't worry, it's a matter of time. Yeah, everything will be just okay. You know, in life is about love. If you are alive, as long as you are alive, everything will be okay. Don't worry, Daniela. I see you. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, we are just continuing the vibe. These are music, bro. These are very nice music. The instrument is called nyatiti. Yeah. The instrument is called nyatiti. Nyatiti is an African guitar. Yeah. We are continuing the vibe. It's Maka Mugenda with a special instrument called nyatiti. We are in the beach right now. I'm in Diani Beach. Yeah, mine is just to vibe with you, share with you what I have. Yeah, the next song is called Award Award. Wow, you are from about Nyatiti. And this Nyatiti, you learn it from 5th grade. That's fine. Yeah, just tell your daddy to buy for you. He can vote for you. He can buy for you one Nyatiti. Now all I want, yeah, all I want. Now all I want, yeah, yeah. Little Banuin, little Banuin, little Banbiene, Banbiene, yeah. Mother was a proud woman, she was. Her father was a good woman. He said, she said, you're gonna be a doctor. Yeah. Little Banubi, Yawa Banubi, Yawa Bambiene, Bambiene, Bambiene. Bambiene, yeah. Thank you so much. No one. When you know she was born at the her mother was a proud woman. She was. Her father was a tough guy. He was. Yeah. Primary school, Boro secondary school, what went to the sea, what went to the sea. Yeah. much for clapping. Thank you so much. Keep on watching. It's Maka. Thank you so much for clapping. Yeah, this is Maka with the instrument called Nyati. Keep on watching. Yeah, it's Maka Mugenda, guys. You see the other side is a beach. This is a Congo River side. Yeah. We have to continue the session, guys. Keep on watching. I think you are feeling this vibe. Keep on watching, guys. It's Maka. I'm just trying to settle my stance so that you can watch me very fine, very well. Yeah, you see there's a guy coming there. It's my friend. See that young man? Yeah, you see that young man? Yeah, that guy is a captain, but don't joke with that young man. It's called Captain. Captain Nani? Hey Baba. Iwa chonango Baba. Yeah, you will see some whites. They are from right now. That's the side, guys. Keep on watching. Look, the other side. This is how the other side looks. If you wanna be successful in life, you better be silent. You better be silent. No problem, Daniel. No problem. I'm here. I have some minutes. Yeah. If you wanna be successful, you better be silent. You better be silent. Yeah. Because what they know, thank you. Yeah, what they give. What they will talk about. They will talk about. They will talk about. Yeah. Hello, Jambo. Yeah, keep on watching, guys. See those guys are going to put. Hello.
Una matata, pole pole. Pole pole.
Cheers. Yeah. You are it, guys. Hello. Oh, your team, man, I give up. Yeah. Oh, mami. Yeah. Yeah, don't know what